Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ChannelAdvisor with eBay and Amazon, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate ChannelAdvisor with eBay, start by logging into your ChannelAdvisor account. Navigate to the settings section in the main menu. Click on Marketplaces to access the list of available integrations. Select Add Marketplace and then choose eBay from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the eBay account authorization page. Log into your eBay account using your credentials. Review the permissions that ChannelAdvisor will request. Click on I accept to grant the necessary permissions. Once you return to ChannelAdvisor, your eBay account will appear in the Connected Marketplaces list. Now, let's move on to authenticate your ChannelAdvisor account with Amazon. Begin again by logging into your ChannelAdvisor account. Again, navigate to the Settings section in the main menu. Click on Marketplaces to view your marketplace options. Select Add Marketplace and this time choose Amazon. You will be prompted to enter your Amazon seller's central credentials. Complete any required verification processes, such as two-step authentication. Review the access permissions and policies that ChannelAdvisor requests. Click on Allow to authorize ChannelAdvisor's access to your Amazon account. After you complete this step, ChannelAdvisor will sync your Amazon account. Check that both eBay and Amazon accounts are listed under Connected Marketplaces. Ensure all settings are configured according to your business needs. Now you're ready to use ChannelAdvisor with eBay and Amazon effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.